In this video, I will show you how to simply reactivate a pause Fiverr gig using just your phone without any stress. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone or tab, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to activate your pause Fiverr gig in a simple seconds. First thing first, if you are using Android phone, make sure you go to your Play Store right here. Open up your Play Store if you are using Android phone. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store, then go ahead and click on search right here. And then make sure you click on search app Fiverr. Type in Fiverr and then hit on search, and it's going to take you right there. Make sure you download and install Fiverr app. After a successful download and install, click on open right here, and it's going to load to an interface asking you to log in. Just log in with your Fiverr username and password. After a successful login, for you to have access to some of your gigs that have been paused by Fiverr, all you have to do is to simply click on your profile icon right here, and that's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you proceed to manage gigs right here. So right here, you can see some of these gigs here are paused. How can you reactivate them? What you need to do is to, let's say for instance, I want to reactivate this gig right here. So what you need to do to simply click and hold down, and this is going to pump up right here. And this is going to pump up right here. Are you sure you want to activate this gig? Go ahead and click on activate. And just like so, the gig become live, and it's going to exit from the inactive. So you can see it is now active. It's that simple. So this is how to simply reactivate your gigs in Fiverr without any stress. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Fiverr topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.